I'm Thor Diesendorf from Thor's Hammer. I'm the Managing Director. Thor's Hammer is a business that specialises in recycling timber. We've been operating for 28 years. We make everything from architectural products through to joinery and furniture. Our timber's mostly coming from the demolition of houses in Sydney and Canberra and Melbourne. Also factories, bridges, all kinds of things. We used to contract out our CNC work. We decided to invest in a CNC, just looking at efficiency and keeping costs down. Panel tools was very helpful looking at the tooling. I love spreadsheets and getting into details. It's definitely a collaborative process with panel tools. Brad and Fraser have a lot of expertise and knowledge. We know what we want to do. There's a bit of back and forth until we come up with a really good solution. We got a really big spiral cutter, 140 diameter, which has been really useful. It has a really great finish. And also the diamond compression cutter, which we're using for finishing the edges or doing final finishing of surfaces, and you get an amazing finish out of that, and it's saving a lot of time with sanding. We've got a lot of turnover knife tooling, which is held in shrink fit chucks. That means a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. No need for doubling up tooling so you can send it away for sharpening. And that was something that Panel Tools helped us with. All their quotes have all the information about the cutter, so you can get a good idea of what the capabilities are. It's early days with the CNC, but we're already seeing a lot of efficiency. It's also making a difference to the guys at the end of every day and how much they can do each day.